Frequent flyer, flies, la 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 la. Frequent flyers back.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer. Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support. And if you're new to the channel, I'd like to extend a warm welcome. I'm out here with my Arrma Typhon. This is the Arrma Typhon 3S, but I upgraded this thing. This is a 120 amp ESC. It came with a 100 amp ESC stock. So this 120 amp ESC can now support 4S. So I guess we can call this the Arrma Typhon 4S. So, and right on time, this company, RCLipobattery.com, sent me these 4S batteries here, and they want me to test these out. These are 4S 5,200 milliamp hour 120C LiPo batteries, and they do come with an EC5 connection on it. I swapped it out to XT90 because I'm running the XT90 on all my stuff now, and so we're gonna run this guy and see what kind of punch and everything we get with it. Now, it's probably not going to lift up on any wheelies or anything because there's a bunch of rocks and loose dirt out here, and I don't really have a better spot on road to run this thing, so I gotta deal with this thing kicking rocks at me and stuff when I'm running it, but it's still fun. Okay. So I can tell this thing has more punch. I can barely steer it. Yeah, it's definitely got more punch. Can't really get off good because of these rocks out here and all this loose dirt. Can do some awesome drifting out here though. There's a speed bump down there, so I gotta be careful. See me fishtailing down there. Yeah, it's definitely got more punch. If it had more grip, it'd be lifting up on wheelies and all. Can't wait to get this thing out to some grass or something. Take it to the park. So you gotta ease into the speed out here. Got a speed bump down here I gotta be careful of too. The braking is awesome on this thing. Man, it just spins out when I get down there. You can hear the rocks hitting stuff that it's slinging. Can do some awesome drifting out here on this dirt. Sheesh, I can't even get it straight to take off with it. So these batteries definitely are punchy. And I can tell the difference in this thing from it being 4S rather than 3S. Oh, it's just sliding out on me. I do have a GPS, but I didn't bring it out because I knew I was going to be running it right here, and I can't really get a good grip, get a speed run. I'll probably end up tearing this thing up trying to get it straight to do a speed run. So this thing is definitely more punchy and all. These batteries definitely seem like they are 120C. Awesome new batteries for it. This company, RCLipoBattery.com, has been sending me batteries to test and all. I did test these in my X-Max, and they were punchy in my X-Max as well, but I just wanted to get it out here on something that's just 4S so I can test the batteries individually, and I like them. These things are punchy, and this thing's trying to go off on me by itself. I guess some kind of interference. But RCLipoBattery.com, 5,200 milliamp hour 4S packs, 120C bursts. Links in description for you guys to check these batteries out. You can grab them at Amazon and RCLipoBattery.com. Thanks for watching.